Severe weather will be possible across a large portion of the country early this week as a cold front moves into an environment conducive to the development of severe thunderstorms. These storms could produce damaging winds and even a few tornadoes. During the morning hours on Tuesday, a cold front and the associated line of storms is predicted to be moving through eastern Texas. By Tuesday afternoon, the line of storms is forecasted to be over portions of the lower Mississippi Valley. And by the evening on Tuesday, the line of storms is predicted to be over portions of the south. As mentioned previously, the cold front will be moving through an environment conducive to the development of severe thunderstorms. In this forecast of surface-based instability, you can see that moderate instability will exist along and ahead of the front. This moderate instability could lead to the formation of strong updrafts in storms. Strong vertical wind shear in excess of 50 knots will be located over the area, which could lead to the development of supercells. In addition, values of storm relative helicity will also be high, exceeding 250 meters squared per second squared over a large area. These high values indicate an increased risk of tornado formation in any supercells that form. This environment with strong deep layer shear and moderate instability is the reason why the Storm Prediction Center has outlined an area for being at risk for severe weather on Tuesday. The greatest threat for damaging winds and tornadoes will be in this area of 30% probability. The risk for severe weather will likely decrease a bit in the evening as nocturnal cooling leads to only weak surface-based instability. However, isolated severe weather will still be possible due to the strong deep layer shear which will still be present. The risk for severe weather will move eastward during the morning and afternoon hours on Wednesday as the cold front moves into a strong shear environment. Damaging wind gusts will be the primary severe weather threat. Thank you for watching. If you would like to see more forecasts like this one, please take a moment to like and subscribe.